You don't need to spend a fortune to upgrade your car. Sometimes the smartest upgrades are the affordable ones, the accessories under £30 that actually improve your daily drive, keep things organized, and make your car more comfortable and modern. Today on Wheel Vista, I'm showing you the best car accessories under £30 on Amazon that are genuinely worth buying. No gimmicks, just practical upgrades that solve real problems. Let's start with something most drivers use every single day. LISEN 15-watt MagSafe car mount charger. Loose phone mounts and messy charging cables can make your dashboard look cluttered, and worse, unstable on bumpy roads. This mount solves both mounting and charging at the same time. It delivers up to 15 watts wireless charging, keeping your phone powered during navigation while maintaining a stable magnetic hold. The design uses a premium heat sink system for long-term stability and battery protection, helping prevent overheating while charging. It offers 4-in-1 installation options, allowing you to mount it securely on the dashboard or air vent. And with the one-click release feature, placing and removing your phone takes seconds. Clean, stable, wire-free. SUPERONE 4-in-1 retractable car charger. Tangled cables everywhere. Multiple chargers fighting for one socket. Battery anxiety on long drives. This solves that. It includes two 80cm retractable cables plus USB-C and USB-A ports, charging up to 4 devices at once. The Type-C retractable cable supports up to PD 30-watt fast charging, while the built-in voltage display lets you monitor your car battery health. It works on both 12-volt and 24-volt systems and includes built-in protection against overheating and short circuits. When not in use, the cables retract cleanly, keeping your interior tidy. Lamicall car headrest tablet holder. Long road trips with kids can quickly turn into distraction chaos. This mount securely attaches to headrest rods and holds tablets from 4.7 to 11 inches. It features a biaxial extension arm and 360-degree rotation, letting you adjust viewing distance and angle easily. The metal crossbar increases stability, while anti-slip rubber pads protect the device from scratches. Installation takes about 5 seconds. No tools required. It keeps kids entertained and reduces distractions for the driver. LISEN 3-in-1 iPad holder car mount for Backseat. Long drives with kids can quickly turn stressful. Tablets end up sliding around. Devices fall during bumps, and the driver keeps getting distracted. This solves that in a much more stable and upgraded way. It combines 3 functions in one system: a tablet holder, backseat organizer, and entertainment mount. The upgraded 2025 version features 4-axis 360-degree adjustability, allowing you to rotate, tilt, and reposition the screen to match your child's seating position, whether rear-facing or forward-facing. The fixed nut hook design increases stability by up to 3 times during driving, keeping the tablet secure even on uneven roads. Installation takes seconds, no tools required, and it fits most headrest rods within the compatible range. It essentially turns your backseat into a mini car entertainment setup, helping keep kids calm and reducing distractions for the driver. Simple upgrade, big peace of mind on road trips. AstroAI Windshield Cleaner Tool. Dirty interior glass can cause glare, especially at sunset or night, and cleaning it is awkward. This tool makes it easy. It includes an extendable handle from 15.9 to 21 inches and a 180-degree rotating head to reach every corner of the windshield. The microfiber pads are highly absorbent and designed to prevent streaks. The set includes 4 reusable pads, a spray bottle, and a storage bag. No more bending over dashboards or straining your back. Valleycomfy microfiber leather steering wheel cover. A plain or worn steering wheel can make your interior feel older than it is. This cover upgrades both look and grip. Made from high-quality microfiber leather, it feels soft and breathable. The premium rubber inner lining provides anti-slip grip, giving better control while driving. It fits most 15-inch steering wheels and installs by simply stretching it over the wheel. A small upgrade, but one you feel every time you drive. 3-in-1 car seat gap filler set. Dropping your phone, coins, or keys between the seat and console is frustrating and sometimes dangerous. These gap fillers prevent that completely. Made from high-density foam, they fit snugly and attach to the seatbelt catch so they move with the seat. They also include storage and hook functionality, letting you hang small items or drinks. With a double-sided design, you can flip between multifunctional or clean look. Simple fix, big relief. Veharvim sunglass holder. Sunglasses sliding around your car can get scratched or lost. This visor-mounted holder uses a patented one-handed clamping system with elastic silicone to hold glasses securely. The metal clip is wrapped in PU leather to prevent scratching your visor. It can hold sunglasses, cards, tickets, or cash, keeping your interior tidy. Small accessory, but very practical. Handheld cordless car vacuum. Dust, crumbs, pet hair, it builds up fast. This lightweight cordless vacuum weighs just 0.42 kilograms and is easy to handle. It includes brush and crevice attachments for cleaning seats, corners, and tight spaces. The HEPA filter is washable and reusable, helping maintain suction power. Rechargeable and portable, it keeps your car interior clean without needing a full-size vacuum. Femuar collapsible trunk organizer. A messy trunk makes your whole car feel disorganized. This organizer uses waterproof 600D Oxford cloth and features removable dividers. It collapses when not needed and includes a non-slip bottom to prevent sliding during driving. Suitable for SUVs, trucks, and sedans. It keeps groceries, tools, and equipment neatly arranged. Cleaner trunk, cleaner look. 150 PSI portable tire inflator. Underinflated tires affect safety, fuel efficiency, and tire wear. This rechargeable inflator can reach up to 150 PSI and inflate a standard car tire from 30 to 36 PSI in about 1 minute. It supports smart preset modes and automatically stops at your selected pressure. The digital display shows real-time and preset readings, and it includes a built-in LED light with steady, strobe, and SOS modes. Compact, rechargeable, and suitable for cars, bikes, and motorcycles. LED sun visor vanity mirror with dimmable lights. Ever tried checking your appearance in your car's original mirror? Poor lighting, small reflection, not ideal. This upgraded visor mirror changes that. It features a large 10.2-inch HD mirror, giving a much wider and clearer view compared to standard factory mirrors. It includes 3 LED light modes with stepless dimming, so you can adjust brightness during the day or soften it at night. The built-in 1500 mAh rechargeable battery lasts up to 7 days on a single charge and uses Type-C USB charging. It's reinforced to stay secure on the visor and designed to resist heat deformation. Lightweight, slim, and removable for handheld use. Perfect for quick touch-ups without relying on poor interior lighting. Small upgrade, big convenience. Those are some of the best car accessories under £30 on Amazon that are actually worth buying. They're affordable, practical, and designed to improve your driving experience without overspending. Now, I want to know, which one would you add to your car first? Let me know in the comments. This is Wheel Vista. Subscribe for more smart car finds, and I'll see you in the next one.